Welcome to another Vektek quick hit hydraulic video, and today we're going to talk about our new air bleeder valve. And what this really allows you to do is a mess-free solution to what you already need to do for all your hydraulic circuits. Today we have a link clamp with the ultrasonic sensing option. It's always important to bleed these for accurate readings. And normally, we would just bleed it at the JIC connection. You always want to do it at a metal-to-metal connection. The problem is that's going to create a big mess. What this allows us to do is bleed a manifold-mounted clamp without no hoses attached, and we can attach one of our pneumatic hoses to drain the oil into a reservoir to make it mess-free. What we're going to demonstrate is what the process looks like, and always remember to start farthest away from your pump at each finger of your circuit and work your way back in. Now to the demonstration. So when we're bleeding our hydraulic circuit, what we're first going to do is clamp at a lower pressure. Let the pump fully stabilize, and then use our 1/4-inch wrench to slowly open our bleeder valve. And we're going to watch the hydraulic fluid. First it's going to be bubbly, and then let it drain till all the air bubbles come out of your fluid. The pump might run a little bit, and then just close it up, and your circuit is air-free. So that's your Vektek air bleeder valve, the mess-free solution to bleeding your hydraulic circuit. If you have any questions, feel free to contact sales or customer support at vektek.com. We'll see you next time.